Ana winyo ni Akol miyo million abich. Awinyo ni Lucy Akello chakama miyo million abich. An kwa nga, an ba bi no million abich a million.
Amen.
That is it.
Thank you.
Well, I think I have to take this opportunity to give a special thank to my own for taking this opportunity never to forget his root. Lucky David started from here. This is Charity for Peace Foundation, where he was a night commuter. And we used to encourage them to dance, the local dances and everything, play as a means of forgetting the stress and the problem of the war. And fortunately, he picked up his skills and his talent, and I'm happy that today he has decided to come back to the root. And he has won 3 very important awards. One is the most consistent artist of the year 2024. Then we have Rumba Artist of the Year 2024 and the overall Artist of the Year 2024. I must say thank you for the good work, and please continue to do better. We want you to get out of northern Uganda, be, the best in Uganda and be known internationally. And that's what we want to hear you. But on my side, as somebody who has been raising you up, I had a discussion with the Member of Parliament, Omoro, Honorable Akello Lucy. She's contributing 5 million, and I'm also contributing 5 million. And I would actually appeal to the rest of the people of Northern Uganda and any other person to add on this amount of money to make sure you have a proper transport means, a vehicle that can help you to transport yourself and move around and have a good business. But not only that, I would actually request the people of Northern Uganda support this young boy. He can do better. He can be known not only in Uganda but internationally. And we know it is possible, it can be done. So please come on board, contribute towards this transport means, but also support him wherever you want. A function, you can be having a marriage, you can have a funeral, you can have a party, a birthday. I mean, people who are going for company, he's very good in all these areas. And this is a way we can support him so that his talent can go beyond Northern Uganda. I thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for the money. Thank you for the offer. Thank you for the blessing. I'm very happy. Ever since I was young, you were there for me. You are always so protective. You encourage me to be a good boy, on which I'm following your footsteps. I will not stop there. With your help, I will do well. Thank you so much.
Thank you.